Welcome to my travel channel. The goal of my travel channel Travelina is to provide wonderful videos in Ultra HD about the most incredible destinations in the world. From the Swiss Alps, Canada, USA to the exciting landscapes of Africa, Travelina will help you discover our wonderful planet. Please subscribe to this channel. Rome, Italy is a city with a long and rich history, dating back to the Roman Empire. There are many things to do in Rome for tourists who want to explore the area. Where is Rome in Italy? Rome is located in the center of Italy between two large cities. Florence, or Firenze, is 280 kilometers to the north, and Naples, or Napoli, is 219 kilometers to the south of the Italian capital. Rome is the capital of Italy with 2.8 million inhabitants, the Romans. According to legend, Rome was founded by the twins Remus and Romulus in 753 before Christ. The city is located along the Tiber River and was built on 7 hills, named the Palatine, the Aventine, the Capitol, the Caelius, the Esquiline, the Quirinal, and the Viminal. The area around the Palatine and the Capitol in particular later became the center of power of the immense Roman Empire. Here you will find many ruins and archaeological excavations of the Roman Forum, and in the Colosseum you will get an idea of how gladiators had to fight in this huge Roman amphitheater. The Pantheon, now a church, with its remarkable round open roof, is one of the best preserved buildings of the Roman era, and the Via Appia takes you on a journey back in time along one of the oldest roads in Rome. In fact, the entire city of Rome is a huge museum, and it is therefore not surprising to learn that the entire ancient city center is on the UNESCO World Heritage List. With more than 900 churches, there is no other city in the world where the Christian faith is so present and visible in the streets. For example, the city of Rome has 4 papal basilicas and 7 pilgrimage churches. The churches surpass each other in their beauty and ornamentation, with many works by great masters such as Bernini, Raphael, Caravaggio, and Michelangelo. If you love art, you'll be in heaven at the Borghese Gallery. With all the Roman sites and archaeological excavations, the beautiful churches, St. Peter's Basilica, the cool popular neighborhoods like Trastevere, the resplendent fountains, the famous Trevi Fountain, the delicious trattorias, a photo on the romantic Spanish steps, but also the fashionable clothing stores. Rome is a chaotic and crowded metropolis where you can easily have fun for a week. Rome's public transport network is not very clear. The city has 2 completed subway lines and a 3rd line whose construction, due to the many archaeological discoveries during the construction, is experiencing a long delay. To use public transport as a tourist, there are a number of advantageous tourist passes. Read more tips about public transportation in Rome in this article. When is the best time to visit Rome? Rome has a Mediterranean climate, with mild winters and hot or very hot summers. With 2,500 hours of sunshine per year, there is a good chance of good weather during your visit. Rome can be visited all year round, but the best time of year is spring and fall. The Mediterranean Sea guarantees pleasant temperatures at this time of year and sunny weather. In July and August the weather is usually dry and very sunny, and temperatures can rise very quickly, regularly above 30 degrees, often in combination with pollution. Winters in Rome are mild, with temperatures ranging from 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Winters are cold and wet, but there is very little chance that you will encounter snow. We now let you enjoy these beautiful images of the capital of Italy filmed by drone in high resolution. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, to make like and especially to share the videos.